Uganda is a nation ravished by disease and unhealthy habits. People practice open defecation, and the waste runs off into their water sources. Unaware of the dangers in their water, people use it for drinking and cleaning, leading to illnesses such as diarrhea, scabies, and trachoma. People are openly defecating for a few reasons. First, a large amount of villages have little or no access to functioning toilets or latrines. For instance, in the district of Kotito, just 2 out of the 187 villages have latrines. Beyond having nowhere to use the bathroom, people also are not aware of what open defecation can lead to regarding health concerns. In other instances, people do not believe in using latrine pits because of cultural superstitions. With these reasons in mind, people are openly defecating at alarming rates, and, as a result, 75% of the diseases in Uganda are caused by lack of proper sanitation.
In the past, organizations have tried to address open defecation by installing latrines. However, without a direct incentive to the users of the latrines and proper upkeep, the latrines end up unutilized and thus fall apart. Therefore, our solution plans to reward the villagers after each use. Inside of every latrine will be a box of tokens. When someone goes to the bathroom in one of these latrines, a token will fall out. Next to the latrines will be a Poland Springs vending machine, where the token can be redeemed for a water bottle. Poland Springs donated more than 500,000 water bottles to communities in need last year, making them a reliable company to supply the water. The clean water will act as an incentive for the people to use the latrines. Our latrine system limits open defecation and its effects while also providing clean water to communities in need. Here is an example of how our idea would work in Uganda. Picture that big red door as a latrine. Here, a person enters a latrine and gets a token for using it. Outside the latrine, a Ugandan worker hired by the government watches to make sure people don't just keep using the latrine to get more tokens. Furthermore, this person will act as a maintenance worker, cleaning the latrine when it is not in use, along with encouraging the use of recycling bins next to the vending machines. The token is in no way a form of currency and is only redeemable at the adjacent vending machine. While we recognize that giving communities water bottles will increase plastic waste, clean water is a fundamental tool for development and health. Therefore, we believe that giving them the water bottles is a risk worth taking. Our project will be funded by the Ugandan government. The Ugandan government will be inclined to fund our business because it will decrease the amount of defecation in the water, therefore increasing public health, increasing productivity, and decreasing medical expenses. From these benefits, the government will generate revenue over time, which will then be used to fund more latrine projects in the rest of Uganda.